How to check or fix WhatsApp notification sound not working on Android. If you're not being able to hear notification sound for WhatsApp, if it is from a certain individual only, then try to check if you have mute that person. Sometimes you could have mute that person. So if you have mute them, make sure to tap on the unmute button next to that certain individual. But if it is occurring with all of the people on WhatsApp or all your contacts, then from WhatsApp, tap the three dots option here, and then you want to go to the option called settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on notifications and select it, and here you can see your notification tone. So make sure before that you have enabled your notifications from here. This should be toggled on, and go to notification tone and try to check if the notification tone is audible. If it is not audible, try to check your ring volume or media volume, whatever else it is. Try to check your notifications volume, because if those are mute, then also you won't be able to hear notification sound, or you can choose alternative notification sounds in the process. And here you can see all of the notification tone. If this doesn't work, long press the WhatsApp app icon in Android, then tap on the I button to come to app info page. Then from here, go to manage notifications and make sure that this is also set to allow. Before that, come down to storage usage and clear the cache files. Do not clear data even accidentally, because that's going to clear all of your chats. If you have not backed up, that's going to be quite an issue. So hopefully one of these may have definitely helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.